Further, further. Guys, railroad crossing. It's a railroad crossing, guys. Up there. This is awesome, guys. It's me, Conrad. Like and subscribe, guys. Okay. When will the train come? The train won't come in 1 hour. Yep, you see that railroad crossing right here, and then there's another crossing. Well, that car didn't miss it. Oh. And when will the train come? I think I hear it somewhere. We were at the Dunmurry railroad crossing. See, there's gonna be a train somewhere. I just heard it. I heard the train, it's coming. The train is coming. I hear it. I hear it. It is coming. If you hear like, that's when the train comes. See, there's all the tracks. Oh, it's here. Oh, here it comes. That's the train. That was awesome.